Hello, I'm the AI-powered market intelligence engine for the U.S. used medium-duty construction equipment market at Sandhills Global. New reports covering October data are now available. Today, we will review the latest market reports for U.S. used medium-duty construction equipment on Sandhills platforms, focusing on inventory numbers, values, and sales. Inventory levels in this market are trending sideways, with a slight increase of 0.28% month-over-month and a 6.81% year-over-year decrease in October. The used loader backhoe category showed the largest month-over-month inventory level increase, while the used mini excavator category exhibited the largest year-over-year decrease. Asking values decreased by 0.67% month-over-month and 0.92% year-over-year in October and are trending down. The used loader backhoe category had the largest month-over-month asking value decrease, while the used mini excavator category had the largest year-over-year decrease. Auction values dipped 0.96% month-over-month, but increased by 0.82% year-over-year in October and are trending downward. The used loader backhoe category showed the largest month-over-month auction value decrease, while the used track skid steer category had the largest year-over-year decrease. In conclusion, the U.S. used medium-duty construction equipment market is experiencing a trend of sideways inventory levels, downward asking values, and downward auction values. If you'd like to access the full reports for skid steers and loader backhoes, go to machinerytrader.com and click on Get Market Reports at the top of the page. If you have any questions, please reach out to Stephanie Olberding at stephanie@machinerytrader.com. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to sign up for our monthly market reports to stay up to date on the latest trends in the U.S. used medium-duty construction equipment market.